Yo, what's up everyone, it's Raunak. So, you're interested in the world of ethical hacking, huh? You want to dive deep into cybersecurity, test systems, and maybe even break a few things, ethically of course. We're talking about operating systems specifically designed for security researchers, pen testers, and anyone serious about cybersecurity. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the top 5 Linux distros that every ethical hacker should have on their radar in 2024. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Tails OS, and this one's all about privacy. Tails is a live operating system, which means it runs directly from a USB stick or DVD. You boot it up, do your thing, and when you shut down, it leaves absolutely no trace on the system you were using. All your internet traffic gets automatically routed through the Tor network. Tor bounces your connection through multiple relays around the world to make it virtually untraceable. If you're investigating a cyber threat or just super serious about protecting your privacy, Tails OS is your go-to distro. Coming in at number 4 is Backbox Linux. Built on Ubuntu, it's user-friendly and familiar. Backbox is lightweight and fast, running smoothly even with demanding security tools. It comes preloaded with a curated selection of the best penetration testing and security assessment tools. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced pen testers who need a reliable and efficient platform. At number 3 we have BlackArch Linux for the true hacking enthusiasts. If you love Arch Linux's customization and bleeding-edge software, BlackArch is your paradise. This distro has over 3,000 hacking tools, from network scanners to cryptography utilities. BlackArch isn't for the faint of heart, it requires some Linux knowledge. But if you're ready to dive deep into cybersecurity, BlackArch is the ultimate playground. Sliding into the number 2 spot is Parrot Security OS, a personal favorite. It's like Kali Linux's lighter, more agile cousin, based on Debian with a sleek Mate desktop environment. Parrot OS is loaded with tools for penetration testing, forensics, and more. It also has features focused on privacy and anonymity, like AnonSurf and Tuar integration. Whether you're a seasoned pen tester or just starting, Parrot OS has something for everyone. And finally, at the top of our list, the undisputed king of ethical hacking distributions, Kali Linux. It's the industry standard, used by security professionals and enthusiasts globally. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distro packed with over 600 pre-installed penetration testing tools. One of the reasons Kali remains at the top is its incredible community support and the sheer amount of resources available online. It's constantly updated with the latest tools and exploits, ensuring you're always equipped with the best hacking arsenal. So there you have it guys, the top 5 Linux distributions for all you ethical hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts out there. Whether you prioritize privacy with Tails OS, need a lightweight powerhouse like Backbox, crave the vast toolkit of BlackArch, enjoy the balanced approach of Parrot OS, or swear by the legendary Kali Linux, there's a distro out there for you. Remember, the best distro for you depends on your skill level, interests, and goals. Which Linux distro do you use for your ethical hacking adventures? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cybersecurity content. See you in the next one.